Hi guys, I'm Malcolm from A1 Australia, PTE and Nati Coaching. If you're not following our channel, make sure you do. We cover a lot of videos on topics ranging from PTE, IELTS and Nati CCL. Today's video is about listening in PTE. Listening is the fourth module in PTE and perhaps one of the most important modules which contributes marks to writing and reading as well because of its integrated nature. Now, as you can see around me, there are 8 tasks in speaking. Out of these 8, 4 tasks are multiple choice tasks and are not that important. So make sure you save this video. I will explain mainly about time management and also the priority of tasks which you should focus upon to get a very high score not only in listening but also in writing because of its integrated nature. Now the first task in listening is called summarize spoken text. You get 1 or 2 questions and an independent timer of 10 minutes per question. What happens in this task is that you will be listening to an audio track or a video and you're supposed to take notes on a sheet or you can type on a box as well, which is on your screen. After the audio ends, because it's an independent timer of 10 minutes per question and the audio or video is roughly of 1 minute, you will be left with 8 to 9 minutes approximately in which you're supposed to type a summary which should be between 50 to 70 words. Minimum 50, maximum 70. Make sure you follow this word limit, otherwise there is a penalty. Now my suggestion is you can follow any template. A template is like a fixed structure in which you fit some phrases or keywords. But trust me on this, guys, gone are the days when you used to fit only random words for the audio, which a lot of people call keywords. Random words don't constitute keywords. Keywords means proper words or groups of words which make some meaningful sense in the context of the lecture. So make sure you're putting noun phrases in the template. Very important task. If you get 2 questions, you'll get 10 minutes plus 10 minutes, so 20 minutes. And it might contribute about 7 to 8 points if you get 2 questions, 7 to 8 points in listening and writing. Now task number 2 in listening is multiple choice, choose multiple answers. That task is not at all important. My tip is while the audio is going on, make up your mind, click any one option from the given 5-6 options, and as soon as the audio ends, click next. Don't waste time in this task, guys. Task number 3, listening fill in the blanks. You'll get 1 or 2 questions. There is a passage on your screen with some missing words and there is an audio track. While the audio is playing, try to type the missing words at the same time or note down the words quickly on a sheet in neat and clean handwriting and then transfer those to your screen. You'll have to type eventually. Per question, you get 5 to 6 blanks which are missing. The number of questions can be 2 or 3. Very important task for listening and writing. For each correct word with the correct spelling, you get 1 point in listening and writing. So if there are 10 blanks in 2 questions, that's 10 points approximately in listening and writing both. Very, very important task, high priority. Task number 4 is called highlight correct summary. It's an integrated task because you listen to an audio and there are 4 options which are summaries related to that audio. You have to choose the best summary. Because you need to read the passages like options, 4 options, you get marks in listening and reading. It's integrated with reading, but it's a low weight task. It's not a high priority task. I would recommend not spending a lot of time. Again, the same tip. While the audio is going on, match the beginning of the audio and the end of the audio with the words at the beginning and the end of each option. Whichever option seems to be the best match is generally the summary. Not always, but generally. Don't waste a lot of time. Not a very high priority task. Task number 5 is multiple choice, choose single answer. Very, very low weight task. Time waster. You get 1 or 2 questions, audio or video. Your goal is to click next as soon as the audio is finished and choose any one answer. You can also choose randomly. I mean, don't bluff. Try to choose one best option, but everything within the audio time. Don't waste more time, please. Task number 6, again a multiple choice question to waste your time, which is called select missing word. Popularly, it's called the beep task. There is an audio, at the end, there's a beep sound, and the last word of the audio is muted. There are 4 to 5 options, generally 3 or 4. You have to choose the best option to finish the audio recording. That's why it's called select the missing word. In this, at the end, just try to close your eyes while the audio is about to end and visualize how the audio could end. And then quickly, within 4 or 5 seconds, just choose the right answer. The key is you need to understand the topic. You can also get a video and a very lengthy audio or a video to waste your time. Don't spend a lot of time. Move on quickly. Last 2 tasks, really important. Task number 7, It's called highlight incorrect words, integrated with reading and listening. You'll get an audio and a transcript passage will be on your screen. Some words in the audio and the transcript will not match. My tip is speak the audio softly, like murmur, while the audio is being spoken in the computer. As soon as you hear something different, click on it immediately. Very important task for reading. You get 2 questions minimum. Per question, 4 to 5 words are incorrect. So try your best. Don't make mistakes. There could be some additional noise or disturbance in the audio. Be very focused. Sometimes the audio is really fast. Last task in PT, in listening, write from dictation. Most important task. You get 3 to 4 or maximum 5 questions. You have to type the sentence exactly as you hear it in the audio. This task has the maximum weight in listening writing contributed marks. You get 3 to 4 questions and the total score contribution is about anywhere between 20 to 28 points to listening as well as writing. There should be no spelling mistakes, no grammatical mistakes, no typing errors. You must practice at least 50 to 60 questions every day if you're aiming for a higher score like 79 each or 65 each. That's all from me today. Make sure you follow us and we'll come up with more such videos. If you're looking for PT, IELTS or NATI CCL coaching, make sure you contact us. Our details are in the comment. Thank you.